Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Tell us something about Ankur Montessori Malleshwaram.
See, Ankur itself means a seed, where a seed is grown into a plant. In the same way, I want children here to come and grow into a good citizen in the future. They are our future citizens of our country. So I want them to grow in a very good way where we can really, they should come here thinking this as a home away from home. Ankur started in the year 2012 and our mission is, as I said I want our children to become a very good future citizens of our country, and I want this to grow as a Brihat Vriksha, where we are just now in the pre-nursery level, where we will grow it into a very big school. This is my dream actually. And the activities that are conducted here are different from the regular schools which we generally see in and around. For example, we take them for the field trips. Then in the field trips we have we visit to hospital, a post office, bank. Then we take our children to a wedding of one of our teacher, which was really a unique experience for the children as well as the audience who were there in the wedding. Then apart from this, market, then aquarium, we take them to the flower show which is conducted in Lal Bagh during the national festivals. Then we celebrate different kinds of festivals, where I try to follow the secularism and inculcate that in our children. We celebrate all festivals which include Ramzan, Christmas, then Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi. We have the celebration right from bringing the Ganesha idol and decorating it with the help of children, and then the children are themselves going to immerse the Lord.
What makes it so unique?
As I said the method that we follow, the Montessori method, is itself unique in its way. Because here the child has freedom to choose, freedom to move about and learn the things, everything in practical. Here nothing is abstract. All the concepts are taught in practical way. And the best part of this concept is all the age group children work under one roof, which is really unique, where even the smaller children learn so many concepts without putting their hands on the material. So they are already half learnt before that they touch those materials, or might be even fully learnt. This method is really unique. That is what it makes unique and different from the regular other schools. Then we have regular doctor visit here once in 3 months. We have the pediatricians who come and check our children. Then the ambience here itself is unique, which is different from the normal other schools in and around Malleshwaram here. I try to give the children the natural concepts here. For example, the sand, the concept of well, the concept of pool here. It itself makes different and unique from other playhomes or schools.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.